Welcome to my Middle Eastern stew with chicken, pomegranate and walnut sauce. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. This is me, Rog, and I'm going to be cooking a special meal tonight because, you'll see in a minute, actually, it's our wedding anniversary. Now you can see the special occasion, and it really is. It's a special meal, it's a Persian meal, it's called fasinjan. And these ingredients that we're going to be using: 4 of these lovely fresh chicken thighs with the skins off, some pomegranate seeds, some tomato puree, some sugar, I'll tell you the full amounts as we go through the recipe, some pomegranate molasses, rice, salt and pepper for seasoning, some cinnamon, plenty of these lovely walnuts, and we're going to need some water. It's about 1 litre. Now first things first, I'm going to use this whole packet of walnuts, about 300 grams, put them in this whizzer and I'm going to whiz them up and pulp them until they become a bit creamy, a bit like butter. In they go. Bit like this. Bit like what I've got here. There we go, look at that, lovely and creamy. So we get a pan on the hob, in we go with the water. We're going to bring this up to a boil, and this is going to be simmering with the lid not fully on for about 2 hours. Yeah, it's a real long time guys, but you know, this dish is going to be well worth it. Now part way through this simmering process, I'm going to add a little drop more water just to keep this dish a bit on the liquid side at the moment, and then carry on simmering to finish off our 2 hours. Give it a mix, on with the lid, and after 2 hours we end up with this. Looks like porridge, doesn't it? It's got a few big pieces in there, but it doesn't matter. Now we can add our pomegranate molasses, in that goes. Now this is what's going to give it a real powerful flavour. Now we're going to follow this with our sugar. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, or you can use caster sugar, it doesn't really make any difference. Followed by 1 tablespoonful of tomato puree, in that goes. And we want a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle this around. Now we're going to give this some seasoning too, some sea salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Give this a good mix. Incorporate all those delicious flavours, get them all in together. Then we can go in with our chicken portions. Skinless chicken thighs, 4 of them. There's 4 of us for dinner tonight. So back on with the lid, then we're going to cook this down for about 20 to 30 minutes until your chicken is cooked right through and tender. Then you end up with this, a beautiful chicken portion. Time to plate up. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm serving this up with some plain boiled rice. Just tidy the plate up a little bit, be a bit chefy there. And to make it look really special, I'm going to sprinkle the top with some pomegranate seeds. They look like little jewels, don't they? Very delicious. Time for our taste test. To be truthful, it is a wonderful dish. The walnuts and the pomegranate just goes together so well, it's so tasty. Please try this for yourself. It's a little bit on the complicated side, but it's really worth it when it's done. It's made a very special evening for us, for our wedding anniversary. But you can have it for your main meal. You can't have it for a snack, it's too complicated for that. So thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and then you'll see all of my future videos and all the ones that I've done in the past too. Thanks once again. See you next time.